Hi Shivam, welcome to this feedback session. How are you today?
I'm doing great. How about you, Saurabh?
I am also doing good, thank you. So first of all,
Okay.
I would like to congratulate you on a on for your this new job. How it feels like?
Well, yes, it feels good, and because I was struggling to get a move to the new job, but I am fortunate that although it take time, but right now before joining this new organization, I have a three offer letter.
Okay, great. So could you please just little tell us about yourself and your background into the IT industry?
Okay, I am a MCA graduate, and I am having around 12.5 years of industry experience. And this experience contains network operation part, implementation part, 2.5 years of experience in pre-sales also. And my expertise are in network data, routing, switching, and little bit on checkpoint side. Also, I have a good understanding of SD access part and Silver Peak SD-WAN along with the Cisco Tela solution. So, and little bit exposure on Wi-Fi part also. So I am good in network designing, creating HLD, LLD. So this is all about me
Great.
in terms of the
What
professional
are the
experience.
courses you have enrolled with us with I-Medita?
Okay. So I have enrolled initially for the Cisco SD-WAN implementation course for the CCNP level, and I found good. The trainer was good. The institute was good. Then because I was planning for the CCIE. So after completing my Cisco SD-WAN retailer course for my data, I instantly decided that I will join the enterprise CCI course with I-Medita. So I'm right now the part of CCI enterprise course, but I'm taking a pause for 2 or 3 months because I am joining the new organization, so I need to cope up, reschedule all my time sheet or slot. But I'm trying to rejoin ASAP.
Great. So how did you first hear about our training courses?
Okay, so frankly speaking, if I will say let's move to 2 years or 18 months, let's move to 18 months back. So I was just struggling to get a new job. Okay, so I start hunting the institute times because that is the main institute. If I will talk about 3 to 4 years back, that is the only institute in NCR which provide all kind of training in terms of the Cisco umbrella. So I visited to. So I thought I saw like it has been moved to the different location. Told me let's don't go for the CCI right now because things are changing. Labs are closed due to the COVID circumstances. Many things have been changed. So he provided me some other type of mixed type of training, but my area of interest is totally different. So I take a pause for 2 or 3 months. I further discuss with so many friends, like, and there are one or two friend also who were they review about the Saurabh, who is your main trainer, Saurabh Yadav. So I have firstly taken the review of Saurabh Yadav, and three of my friends told me like he is very good in terms of the providing the training and concept wise. So I decided let's give the chance to IB Data because somewhere I have to choose something. So apart from that, I also have like line up 2, 3 more institutes, but they have not a proper resources up to the CCI. I found like they are more concerned about the clearing the lab and certification, not focusing on the like primary component of the CCI, like in terms of the training and topics. So I left these two options and joined you guys. I mean data.
So how was your
So
overall experience taking these classes with us?
see, it the experience was very good. The trainer who taught me till now is Surendra. So from the day one, I was like engaged with Surendra. He provided me the training of Cisco SD-WAN solution around almost 10 months back in January, February, March. I ended in March 2022. So after that, after seeing his knowledge in Cisco SD-WAN and other courses, because when we go for a course we came to know like a person is like giving us a training of XYZ topic, then that topic has a has a mapping with some other topics, other technologies. So I found he is good. So and then I also joined his batch, only his batch for the CCI, because I found myself comfortable. Because so after August, I believe August, we have started. Yeah, I have started CCIE classes in August batch.
Okay.
So right now I have completed the routing portion. Uh, the only thing which is missing in terms of the training is SD access and switching things. And after that, one month of core lab preparation. So
Great.
this was missing. So I'm curious to do this ASAP.
Great. So have these courses, whatever content you have taken till now, helped you in your current role and in your career development?
Okay, good question. So, if I will say I have studied almost all the topic which comes under the CCI legacy, legacy CCI topics. But when I let's talk about the OSP of, or any of the routing protocol. So when I was going through the starting from the routing proportion from static till BGP then MPLS, so I was aware of all the topics which are the part of say OSP or BGP and everything. But there are bits and pieces which were missing in my studies that I came to know. Oh, this can be done like this or this. When Surendra told me, then I thought, okay, why I cannot think about this way? So there are few of the like 80% of the topics I have already covered, but 20% knowledge which Surendra provided in the training were missing in my learning and my practical environment knowledge. So that helps me a lot till now. And rest everything was the training content and the flexibility and all the I-Medita trainer and lab technician support are very good. In terms of the communication and responses, you guys are very good.
During these last couple of years, okay, you're training with us, you were working, right?
Yeah, I was keep working.
So how did you manage to balance your work and training schedule? Because as a working
Okay.
professional, you are giving 9 hours, 10 hours for the organization. How were you able
Okay.
to manage your time for the training schedule?
Okay. So I would say being an IT professional and due to the COVID, we are working providing support from work from home. So that gives us the flexibility to cope up with both the things from our professional work and in terms of the training. Because my traveling time cut down because I was providing support from home, so I can manage both the things. Sometimes, I would say during my 20, let's say about 20% of the classes was pre-recorded. That I like the batch which I have joined is the morning batch. So sometime due to the shift or some kind of extended support, I was not able to join the morning batch. Then I go through the pre-recorded session in the evening or in the late night when I have a time. And if I have any query, any doubts, I will check in the next class or one to one with Surendra over the WhatsApp or whenever he is free. He was free. So that's why I'm saying you guys are flexible too much.
So how would you
Yeah.
rate our training and services on a scale of 10?
Okay. Very tricky question. I would say 9 or 9 plus, to be very frank.
Thank you. Would you
Yeah. At
recommend our
least,
course? Yeah.
yes, I will for sure recommend for enterprise CCI course with I-Medita and all the routing and advanced routing, advanced switching things from the I-Medita. One more thing, during the training, if you also provided me the checkpoint videos, which were from different trainer. But as I told you, like I there is a requirement in my project, so I require a checkpoint help. So you provided me those material which helped me a lot, and the trainer who provided like giving the training or the recorded session is also looking good in terms of the checkpoint knowledge purpose. So I believe rest of the training which are providing under the IME data umbrella is also good.
Great.
That's my expectation. So after CCI, as I told you, my plan is to go for the cloud and automation little bit. So after that, if you guys are providing cloud courses, for definitely I will join the cloud courses. And otherwise, after doing the training of cloud courses, I am focusing for security perspective. So definitely I will join you guys for security also, probably next year,
Great.
March, April. So this is the path I am thinking for my career, and you guys will be the key content and key things for my career growth in future also.
Thank you, Shivam. Thank you for your valuable feedback. Thank you for your valuable time. We wish you all the
Okay,
very best for your future career, and we wish to
sure.
see your CCI number very soon.
Yeah, I am maximum the time I am planning max to max July or very maximum August.
Great.
Otherwise, June, July would be the time I am choosing right now, as per my current job role and everything.
Thank you for this session, Shivam. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too have a good day.